Hi, I'm Adam. In this video, I'll be telling you about Heuga 727, a colourful commercial carpet tile that has been making a name for itself since the 1980s, but is just as popular now as it was back then. So grab your shell suit and your Walkman and let's take a closer look at Heuga 727 from Interface. One of our most popular carpet tiles from Interface, Heuga 727, is a tufted loop pile with a plain design. Simplicity is key here. The tile isn't trying too hard to impress you through its design, but it does have a party trick up its sleeve. The 727 has 48 different colours to choose from, including these four I have here: graphite, camel, blue riband, and sunflower. Like I said, there are 48 colours, so we're not even scratching the surface here with these four tiles, but you can at least see a small sample of what's on offer. Speaking of samples, if you're watching this video on our Heuga 727 product page, pick a colour above and hit the blue sample button to get up to 4 free samples straight to your door. It's quick and easy, and just like Mark Ronson, you'll be sampling in no time. That's clever, sampling, samples and music. Very clever. By the way, if you don't know the story of Heuga, it's worth a watch. We cover this in a different video. I'll drop the link in the description below. Back to this video, and let's take a look at what makes it such a great carpet tile. First up, the pile, the top bit. It's made from 100% recycled nylon, paired up with a Graphlex backing, which itself has a highly recycled content. Basically, in terms of environmental credentials, this carpet tile is not the best of the best, but it's pretty good. And you can see Interface are trying to move this tile in the right direction from an environmental viewpoint. Secondly, the 727 can complement most working or living spaces. You've got a ton of colours to pick from, and you can lay the tile monolithic or classic checkerboard. In layman's terms, that means all in a row like a broadloom carpet, or you can quarter turn every other tile to create a checkerboard effect. Plus, it's equally suitable in a commercial environment or in the home. Thirdly, due to the quality of this tile, you know it's going to be long lasting. Just looking at our previous customers who have ordered this, you've got blue chip companies such as McDonald's and DPD who have fitted it in their offices. Now that speaks volumes. If you're ordering 727 either online or over the phone, just give yourself 5 to 7 working days, because these tiles are made in the Netherlands. That's the bicycle friendly country, located between Germany and Belgium, not the fictional home of Peter Pan. Netherlands, never, just in case. No? Okay, you've heard enough from me today, so just before I go, it is worth mentioning that if you do like 727, but the price point is a little outside your budget, just check out the Nouveau Carnival, which is our own version of this tile, and it's around £1 less per tile with similar specs and next day delivery in most cases. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comment below to let us know what your thoughts are about the Heuga 727 carpet tile. I'll see you next time.